Fort Worth homeowners take great pride in maintaining and enhancing their properties. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is window replacement. Whether your current windows are outdated, inefficient, or simply don't complement the aesthetics of your home, investing in new windows offers a variety of benefits that go beyond curb appeal. From energy savings to increased property value, here's why replacing your windows in Fort Worth is a smart decision. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the biggest advantages of window replacement is the improvement in energy efficiency. Fort Worth experiences a mix of hot summers and mild winters, meaning your home needs proper insulation to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Older windows, especially single-pane ones, allow heat to escape in the winter and let in excessive heat during the summer. Modern energy-efficient windows feature advanced insulation technology, such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas-filled panes. These features help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. As a result, you can expect to see noticeable savings on your monthly energy bills. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your home in the future, new windows can significantly boost its resale value. Homebuyers in Fort Worth appreciate properties that require minimal upgrades and have energy-efficient features. According to industry reports, window replacement offers one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, in home improvement projects, often recouping a significant percentage of the initial cost when selling. Moreover, modern windows enhance curb appeal, making your home look well-maintained and attractive to potential buyers. They also improve indoor aesthetics by allowing more natural light to enter, creating a brighter and more inviting living space. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. Noise pollution is a common concern for homeowners, especially for those living near busy roads, commercial areas, or high-traffic neighborhoods in Fort Worth. High-quality replacement windows with soundproofing capabilities can help reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Additionally, modern windows eliminate drafts and cold spots in your home, improving overall comfort. By preventing air leaks and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature, you'll enjoy a cozier home environment regardless of the season. Improved security and safety. The older windows can be a security risk, as they may have weak locks, thin glass, or deteriorating frames that make them easy to break into. Upgrading to modern windows enhances your home's security with advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass. Safety is another crucial factor. Many newer windows are designed with easy-to-operate mechanisms, allowing for quick opening in case of emergencies like fires. If you have children or pets, you can also opt for windows with safety features to prevent accidental falls. Low maintenance and durability. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, such as repainting, sealing, and repairing rotted wood. Newer windows are designed with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which require minimal upkeep and last for decades. Additionally, modern window technology includes features like tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning, reducing the time and effort required to maintain their appearance. With less maintenance required, you can enjoy more convenience and long-term savings. Protection against Fort Worth's weather conditions. Fort Worth experiences diverse weather conditions, from scorching summers to occasional storms and hail. High-quality replacement windows are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, heavy rain, and strong winds, protecting your home from potential damage. Hurricane-resistant and impact-resistant windows are excellent choices for homeowners looking for extra durability. These windows not only add a layer of protection against harsh weather but can also potentially lower your homeowner's insurance premiums. Eco-friendly home upgrade. Choosing energy-efficient replacement windows is not only beneficial for your wallet but also for the environment. Reduced energy consumption means a smaller carbon footprint, making your home more eco-friendly. Additionally, many modern window manufacturers use sustainable materials and production methods, contributing to environmental conservation efforts. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Fort Worth is a smart investment that offers both immediate and long-term benefits. Whether you're looking to enhance energy efficiency, increase property value, improve comfort, or upgrade security, new windows are a worthwhile home improvement. With various styles and materials available, you can choose the perfect windows to match your home's aesthetics and performance needs. If you're considering replacing your windows, consulting with a professional window installation company can help you find the best options tailored to your home and budget. Make the smart choice today and enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and valuable home for years to come.